तो फिर खराब हो
स्टार्ट
जाएगा
होने वाला
काम।
है.
हम्म।
Okay, okay. Hello, sir. I'm Udit Kumar with my colleague.
पीयूष कुमार।
So we have been made this project on golden theory, and so like we have added a lot of content in it to educate the people about this concept, and we have added even a gallery, separate section of gallery to visualize those concepts in real life. So let's get back to this project, and so let me give you a quick tour of it. On the top of this, we have made a nav bar.
Yes, Udit, we have made this navbar by using HTML and some CSS, and to make it more responsive, we use JavaScript. You can see that
Yeah,
it's a drop down, and you will see in mobile view.
it's pretty good.
Yes, yes,
Now comes this section. We have added parallax in it, simple parallax. And now comes this logo. Pish will tell you about it.
yes. So basically, the logo which we made is animated, and we animate this logo by using CSS animations and keyframes.
Yes.
So
Now comes this wave section. These waves are simply made using keyframes and SVG icon, SVG images. Yeah, kind of images. We have made using SVG and keyframes. And now come this title. It's simply a title made using H1 H1 tags. And now this it's a simple image. It's a
yes,
logo basically. Now comes this image. We have added animation to it using data AUS and all. Um, and I've this made this whole thing using simple CSS and a bit of HTML. I've just made some frames, and firstly I just made a div. I just added a series of images, and then I just positioned them using CSS. Rotate. I just rotated them and made a kind of 2D circle play on X Z axis, and then I just using keyframes I just rotated that whole div by 360 degrees. Means it's just giving me a great effect like it's rotating, and yeah, it's
Ye-
pretty cool.
yes. And one more thing, ki when we hover over this one of an images, so its scale get bigger, and the
Increase.
animation in background stops for a while, and
Yeah,
when we come back, so animation again started. So
yeah.
yes. So
Just
yes,
so on hovering we are just changing the scale of the image.
yes. So coming to the images, we have get these images from various sources, or we can say that websites like pixels.com, imagesbazaar.com, etc. So coming to the, and we have also
Added
get an,
parallax.
yes, parallax to the images.
Yeah,
So
to
coming
make
to
it
the
more responsive. To make it
yes,
like more responsive, not kind of responsive, to make it more attractive. I mean, and
yeah.
just to make the user a bit happy, to keep him involved on this site, to
Hmm.
attract his attention, and just to you know just keep him involved in these things.
Yes, yes, Udit, you are right. So now
Yeah,
coming to the content. So basically, we have taken this content from various websites, like I have already told you, Wolfram.com or Wikipedia, Exa Britannica, etc. and etc. So we have designed this content by using CSS, and we have also give animations effect, like see this, the photos coming from
fade in,
left
fade
and
out.
right.
Yeah, fade in,
See,
fade effects
yeah, we have
using
also,
data AOS attributes, and we have given even the delay.
yes, yes.
Now,
So
similarly, we have made the rest of the sections. We have added parallax and images just to improve the users, to make it more interactive and attractive as well. Now comes this button at the right side corner, right bottom. It's a simple index button. You can just
yes.
visit any topic using it.
So Udit, it's this button is also responsive. You can see
Yeah,
in mobile view.
it's a
And when
bootstrap
we
model we have used here.
yes, and when we click one of the buttons mentioned,
Topic.
then what happens? See this.
Yeah, it just skips you to that topic, so that you can just get to the main point you want to search, and it's
Yeah.
just pretty cool thing. It's common as well.
Yes. So coming down, we have got some references for that for the content we have used in our web pages.
Yeah,
See this?
and in index we could even even could have used scroll spy, but we haven't used that because if we have used that scroll spy, then it then we have to give a little bits of space on the main page, and I don't want to make it more crowdsome. And I mean it should be simple and attractive, and it should be simple. The page main aim of a web designer should be to make the page as simple as possible.
Yes,
So
Udit, you
that's
are
why we have made it
absolutely
simple.
right.
And yeah, I just forgot about it. The links we have added at the bottom are the references to the content we have added in the above sections. So if the users want to visit that site and want to know more about that concept, like golden ratio and all, so you can just visit any of these site and just check out the more topics related to it, more content. And yeah, it's a pretty cool thing and common as well.
Yes, Udit. So we have made this coming to the footer. So we have made this footer by using iron icons and font awesome. See this? These are the icons we have
We have
used.
added our logo image. We have just styled text using CSS, and we have added icons as it told my colleague told, using
And
iron
the
icons and font awesome as well.
the footer is also responsive. You can see.
Yeah, it is. Full site is responsive,
Yes.
and it should be. It's not important that every time the user will visit our web page that he will be having a laptop, but yeah, he will be having a mobile.
Yes.
99%.
Yes.
1%
So
people
here
are there
comes
who don't have
the
phones right now.
yes. So here comes the various things like home. When we click on home, see what happens.
Yeah, we just
Our new our new HTML file opens.
yeah. It's our
Yeah.
kind of about us page, which just contains each and every information about us, about our
Mm.
about our theme, and what we want to convey to the people, and a contact form to contact us, and about it's just overview of our whole web page, and that the previous page which we made is all about the information, and yeah, that's it. So Piyush,
Yes.
tell us about more about it. Yeah.
Yes. So it's a web page which is a beginning, or we can say that various galleries stored in that web page, like you can see, learn
The
and
nav bar on
explore.
the
And
top is as the previous nav bar, so we are not talking about that right now.
yes, so I we have also added some sections like learn and explore new things.
We have
And
spelled separate cards and topics, so you can just click on whichever topic you like, and you just get redirected to that page.
would it let me do this?
Yeah, sure.
See this, it's redirecting.
Yeah, it's just
And
will redirect you to the page, and you can just use this index button over here to to whichever topic you like.
yes, Udit, absolutely right.
So
So
let's
again,
get
going
back to that
to
page.
yes,
Yeah, we have even added parallax in that image on the top one.
yes. So coming
We
behind,
have added animations, icons, and more effects to make it more small, more attractive. I mean to say.
yes. So here also we have taken these images from various websites, and the content is also from various websites. So
and
which
given
we
them
have
a
seen.
box shadow. Yeah, we have given them
Yes,
shadow to so that they look a bit nicer. And
and more
we have
attractive.
given, yeah, we have added animation as well in it. Now
Yes,
comes that learn and explore section. We are just given them a just a short kind trailer kind of thing. Okay, we have these kind of topics in our learning web page, which we have made the separate web page, the previous web page, and here we have just cards just to give them a brief, not a brief, kind of short thing, kind of trailer. What we have,
yes, in our web pages.
yeah,
What topics we have in our web pages?
yeah, and it's kind
Yes,
of we have added animation as well in it. So whenever you hover it, it seems like it's jumping, but yeah, it seems good.
yes,
So let's go to our gallery. It's not our
yeah,
gallery, it's just a demo of our gallery.
yes.
We have
It's
made
just
a
a demo
separate
of our
gallery.
gallery.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we have made
So
tags.
coming to the gallery, we also use some JavaScript and CSS to style this. Like when you hover over this eye, the color would change, and when you click on it, you can see the full image of that.
And the
So
arrow on the right side
and
you can use to go on the other image as well.
yes,
So
see this. It's pretty good.
yeah, it is. And the
Yes.
main thing, the concept we use here is of lightbox, kind of lightbox. Whenever we hover on the image, we just made a kind of we just changed its color texture. We just made it a blue kind of thing. We can
Yes.
do easily do it by making a div over it, which is initially transparent. Then whenever we hover on it, we can just give it a color, RGBA color, and we can easily do it by that. And that the box which will appear when we click on the icon, we can make it using simply make it using the concept of lightbox, which we have used here as well.
Yes, yes, Sudhir,
So
absolutely right.
yeah,
So
Piyush,
to
you just
show more of our
forgot about the
gallery,
tags. Piyush, you just forgot about the tags.
yes, yes, yes. So here are various tags. Like when we click on
Piyush, your voice is
images
not clear. Please,
there.
will you please?
Now it's coming.
Yeah, yeah,
Now it's coming.
it's
So coming to the tags, when we click on nature tag, so you can see that all the images
yeah, that's
related to the
nature.
nature, yes, comes there. And then creatures, so all the images related to creatures, and then space. So you can also see golden spiral or golden ratio in space. So yes, images related to this. And to see more of these images, we have used this button, and we have connected this with the
Our
reference
main
tag.
gallery page.
Yes, our main gallery page.
Yeah, which will
So
contain a lot of images to visualize the to help the people visualize this golden theory concepts in real life.
so it's just like learning with the effects. Like if you have a good uh, scenery or something photos, like colleague said that a picture can say thousand than word.
Yeah,
So that's
it
our
is.
concept.
Yes.
So
So we
when
just added.
in this
So
also we
yeah,
have used
Piyush, you are
some
right.
tags. In this
Yeah,
also we have
same
used some
tags which we
tags.
use on the main page, home page. Same tags are over here, so you can just filter those images and the
Yes,
lightbox.
and here is also some effects. When we click on
Yeah,
this, a full image will there.
appear. It's pretty cool, Piyush.
Yes, good, good. So
And
coming
for
back,
us, it's pretty cool because we haven't done it earlier. We just, we did, but we have not made such a website earlier, isn't it?
yes, yes, you are right, Udit. So coming back to our homepage,
And even the gallery which you made, you can even add.
yeah,
Right now, you can't add images to it, but if we will add the backend to it, and I can add backend, but it will make the code very complex. So we just haven't added the backend to it. Um, so if you can, if I just add little bit of backend, then you can easily add the images to it. But right now I haven't done that thing. So, but it's pretty easy to do. But I haven't done
Yes.
it right now.
Yes.
Continue,
So
Piyush.
here is our team section.
Yeah,
So basically we are two members who made this website or web page, you can say.
yeah.
So in this we here is something about us. So when we hover over the any of the images, you get the name and the group member and the links of various sites like Twitter, Facebook, Google, and LinkedIn. Likewise, that's mine. Krish Kumar, group member two. And here is my links of various things. And we have also used some animations, like when we hover over this, the pop-up come and my name comes there, and when back, so
Kind
it
of
goes.
bouncing. You mean the kind of bouncing effect
Yes, a
that
kind
it's
of bouncing effect.
fade effects. I mean,
Yes, you are absolutely right with it.
yeah. Now comes the
So coming
contact
to
us
our
page.
Yes. So in contact us, we haven't used backend, but to give a brief idea, we have used some contact us like where our hometown is or where we are living now, currently living. So here
It's
are
not an actual
maps.
location. We just give any random I mean, location. I just what?
Yes. So it's a random location to make the website more attractive to the user.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
And
even
here,
use Google Maps over here. You can even zoom and zoom out. It's pretty easy to use it, and
yes,
it's kind of important these days to you add this in your contact us page kind of section. So it's really important
yes.
so that people can see where you are actually.
Uh,
And we haven't added back into it, so you can't send us the message. But yeah, if I can add back into it as well, but I haven't added the backend because it will make our code very complex right now, and we just want to make it simple right now. So
yes.
just we have
So
added back into it.
yes, Udit. So, rather we have not added the backend to it, but we have added some of the visuals. Like when we click on send message, a pop-up will come and
Yeah.
check that would you like to send this message or not, or are you sure to send this message? So if you want to
Yeah.
send, then we use backend to and connect with this. So we haven't
Yes.
connect this, so
And
we will close
we can
that.
easily use backend to connect with this, and even if you give you a good idea how to send the emails, we can use Flask Mail, and a lot of packages are there in Python as well. I myself use Flask, so it's pretty easy to send mails using it.
Yes,
So
Udit.
backend is not a big deal, kind of tough, but
Yes.
right, but it's not that tough. Means it's kind of medium kind of thing. And now comes the footer. As we have told you, it's simple, and we have done it.
Yes, fine. And it's a footer. So we have done with the project, and here is also we I have also sent that fab
Yeah,
icon.
I just forgot to link my GitHub repository to this GitHub link, but later on I'll do it. So it's that's all
Yeah, no, one more thing we
is
have to
left, I
tell
guess.
that yes, we have used fab icons. Fab icons.
Yeah, yeah. I just forgot
Uh,
about it. Yeah, we just made a fav icon over there. You can see on the top.
yes,
On every page we have the fav icon, and it is important to have fav icon.
yes.
Really important
So
kind of thing.
yes, and when you click on begin learning, you just redirect to a new page, which is our
The first page we
concept.
show you, the first
Yes,
page we showed you earlier. This is the page
yes,
where the user will start the learning about that concepts, not the concepts, kind of theory.
Yes. So have you seen that when I click one of the buttons like our gallery, so it redirected to a new page, to a new tab. Okay, so it's also an HTML we have used
Uh,
in to
yeah.
redirect it to a new tab.
We have what do you have used for that? Which I mean
I
attribute you have used?
I have used a target is equals to blank attribute in
Yeah,
a
an anchor tag.
in
Yeah, I
anchor
got
tag.
it. I got it.
Good. Okay, so
Yeah,
that's it.
just not able to speak properly. I was saying I got it.
Okay, so
That's all.
it's
Is there anything left,
yes.
Piyush?
No, I think we have done all that stuff.
Yeah. So that's all about our
Thank
project.
thank you
Thank you,
everyone.
and hope you like it. Okay. Bye.
Bye.